If you're looking into getting a hair transplant right now, you've probably been hit with quotes around $10,000 to $15,000. It's a massive number. But there's a reason the exact same procedure, with the same medical standards, costs about $2,500 overseas. And it's not because they're cutting corners. It comes down to a fundamental flaw in how Western clinics price their surgeries. Let's break down the math. In the US or the UK, the standard business model is charging by the graft, usually around $4 to $8 for every single hair follicle they move. If you just need a tiny touch-up, maybe that makes sense. But hair loss is progressive. If you actually need 4,000 grafts to not look bald, suddenly you're staring at a $16,000 bill. Here's where it gets dangerous for patients. Most guys simply can't drop that kind of cash. So they compromise. They buy 2,000 grafts instead of the 4,000 they actually need. They walk out with a sparse, see-through hairline. They didn't lack donor hair on the back of their head. They just ran out of budget. The pricing model literally forces a bad result. Now look at the medical hubs overseas, specifically places like Istanbul. They operate on a completely different system. Instead of charging per hair, they charge a flat fee for the session. Whether you need 2,000 grafts or 5,000 grafts, the surgical price doesn't change. The surgeon just takes what your donor area can safely give to make it look natural. But logically, you have to ask, if it's $12,000 cheaper, what's the catch? The truth is, it's just macroeconomics. Clinics in New York or London aren't necessarily trying to rip you off, but their overhead is insane. Between commercial rent, high staff salaries, and massive malpractice insurance, they have to pass those costs onto you just to keep the lights on. In Turkey, the cost of living, wages, and currency exchange rates are completely different. Your dollar or pound simply buys more infrastructure. You're paying for the medical procedure, not the Manhattan rent. Because of that economic difference, a typical $2,500 package at a licensed Turkish clinic usually covers the whole trip: the surgery, the blood tests, the hotel, and the airport transfers. It's just a different, more efficient way of doing business. The takeaway here is to not let a local clinic limit your hairline just because of their pricing sheet. You need to know how many grafts you actually require before you make a decision. If you want a realistic, flat rate estimate based on your specific hair loss, you can use the link below to get a free assessment from the team at HWT Clinic. Get the data first, then decide what makes sense for you.